Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Motorola Moto S50. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then you have to go to Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Now click on Let's do this and then click Sign in. Now you have to enter your email address. And then you have to click I agree. Then click accept. And then click supervise. Click next. And now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next. And then click allow. Now click next again. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.